The vision of Trust Building Program Nepal is to build a united Nepal where each Nepali resident is treated equally and respectfully regardless of caste, language, ethnicity, gender, and geography. The objective of our program is to reinstate harmony and understanding between our multicultural and multilingual communities. The southern low-lying plain land of Nepal bordering India is called Tarai or Madhes. The project aims to bridge the gaps that exist between Madhesi and Pahadi communities which have existed for decades. The Trust Building Working Team in Nepal attempted to discourage the blame between these communities' people and move towards the acceptance of shared responsibilities by using the different tools to walk through the history and listen to the experiences and the story. The initial focus of this program is to bring these two communities together and encourage them to share the stories accurately, respectfully, and inclusively. Being based on the Province 1 and 2, the epicenter of Madhes movement, thinking this is the right place to begin the conversation. Further, it is also important to build trust within the national team of Initiatives of Change Nepal, the young and vibrant team, while working together to build a strong team to sustain the initiative. Therefore, Trust Building Program Nepal focused on implementing the planned activities in different locations of Province 1 and 2 in Nepal. The Nepalese team has been across the eastern part of Nepal, launching the Trust Building project which officially began on 7th March 2021 in Janakpur. During the official launch, the project was inaugurated by Gyanendra Kumar Yadav, Minister of Internal Affairs and Law from Province No. 2. He expressed his commitment to support the project, and he also strongly believed that all forms of discrimination should be ended. The team traveled for a month in a different location and met with the local partners, individuals, government officials, journalists, various stakeholders, conducting different outreaches and meetings. The team met with the mayor of Itahari sub-metropolitan city and shared about the ongoing TBP work and discussed collaborating with the employees working in the metropolitan city. The Trust Building team in Nepal has set up a range of partnerships already, such as signing a memorandum of understanding with Koshi Rural Municipality to set up the strategic partnerships for building a better community in the area. The team is creating buzz and gaining interest in TBP from different individuals. This is an important opportunity to mobilize the community and secure partnerships and potential participants for future events.
Yeah.